Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are talking foreign exchange and the euro currency. Making some big moves here. We're at three-year highs in the euro currency. We've seen kind of a breakout of that range. We've talked about that range between 110 and 120. We've kind of been stuck in there. We've seen it touch 120 and pull back. We've seen declines below 115. And we just haven't really seen a whole lot of momentum. We've started to get that. Now we're above 120 and we're holding. And this is a three-year high. So everyone's kind of looking at the spotlight is moved now back to the euro currency. How high can it go? There are expectations technically that it can get up to 130 this year. I think that might be a little bit of an extension, too high of an extension, but we'll wait and see. It's very early in 2018 and we're in breakout mode. Now, if you look at what the ECB is doing right now, the ECB has started tapering. They've started talking about being more aggressive in their tightening policy. They have continued to add easier policy for longer than the Fed has because they started later. But I think that right now they want to start to pull back on the reins, and that may not be fully priced into the euro currency, something that we saw in the dollar early on, but since has faded. And now we've seen, we could see some more upside to the euro currency if, it's a big if the volatility out of Britain and some of the uncertainty out of Germany culminates into nothingness, I guess is the best way to put it, and it gives clear path to the ECB to continue to talk about possibly raising rates, at least tapering and taking away some of the stimulus. And lastly, some of the euro currency bid isn't about the euro currency at all. It's about the dollar. The weakness in the dollar in 2017 is pretty clear. And if you look at what's happening, not only in Washington, but with the Fed, the uncertainty, and yeah, they're starting to raise rates a little more aggressively, but they do want to keep their foot near the brake just in case. And I think that right now dollar weakness is adding as much to the euro currency as is possibly euro bullishness. So keep an eye on the dollar. It has resumed its 2017 trend this early in 2018. So the dollar continuing to go south means that the euro currency is going to go up. And right now we're in breakout mode higher in the euro currency while we're testing new lows in the dollar. So I can't be overlooked. Not only is it euro strength, but it's dollar weakness that's adding to this. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.